Hello students, I am Pratinya Patil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. So today's question is from CSR NET December 2011. In this question we have to find which of the following is true. Then we have a 4 options. Option 1 says limit x tends to infinity log x upon x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and limit x tends to infinity log x upon x is equal to infinity. We have option 2 limit x tends to infinity log x upon x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to infinity and limit x tends to infinity log x upon x is equal to 0. Option 3 is limit x tends to infinity log x upon x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 0 and limit x tends to infinity log x upon x is equal to 0. And lastly we have option 4 is limit x tends to infinity log x upon x raised to 1 by 2 is equal to 0 but limit x tends to infinity log x upon x does not exist. To find the solution of this question, only we have to find limiting value of this function and limiting value of this function. Therefore, we consider the first function and we only have to find its limiting values. As x approaches to infinity, this is nothing but an indeterminate form of 0 upon 0 case. To solve this indeterminate form, we use L'Hospital's rule. That is find derivative on both sides, numerator as well as the denominator. In the numerator we have a log x and its derivative is 1 by x. Therefore we write 1 by x in the numerator and denominator is x raised to 1 by 2. Its derivative is 1 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 and this limit x tends to infinity as it is limit x tends to infinity. Now this 1 by 2 goes to numerator, that is limit x tends to infinity 2 upon this x into x raised to minus 1 by 2. Then we get limit x tends to infinity 2 upon x raised to this 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. As x tends to infinity, this 1 by x tends to 0. Therefore we get answer 0. That is limiting value of this function is 0. That is from above calculation we have limiting value of first function is 0. Now check options. Option 1 says it is equal to 0. Option 2 is equal to infinity. But we have calculated above, that is this function is equal to 0. Therefore option 2 is wrong. Next, this function is equal to 0 and this function is equal to 0. Now we find limiting value of second function, that is limit x tends to infinity log x upon x. As x approaches to infinity, this value is nothing but 0 upon 0 case, which is nothing but an indeterminate form. And this indeterminate form can be solved by using L'Hospital's rule. Therefore, we apply L'Hospital rule on numerator as well as denominator. As limit x tends to infinity log x, its derivative is 1 by x, divide by x, its derivative is 1, that implies limit x tends to infinity, anything divided by 1 is equal to that itself. As x tends to infinity, this whole term tends to 0. Therefore, limiting value of this function is also equal to 0. Now we check in the options. In option 1, this limiting function is equal to infinity, which is obviously wrong. Therefore, option 1 is not true. Now check option 3 and option 4. In this question, limit x tends to infinity, log x upon x is equal to 0. Therefore, this option is 100% true. And last option says this limit x tends to infinity, log x upon x does not exist. Obviously, which is not correct. Therefore, option 4 is also not true. Therefore, in this question, option 3 is true. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.